Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox this i12 TWS truly wireless earphones. So let's start. I bought these earphones from Flipkart. If you want to buy these earphones, link is in the description. Let's start unboxing. I got these earphones at the price of 560 rupees from Flipkart. This is the best Apple clone under 600 rupees. By the first look, we understand that the box size is exactly as the Apple AirPods box. Friends, please watch this video until the end. The image behind the box is exactly as Apple AirPods box. In the side we have auto power on, auto pairing, touch using Siri and other options too. Now let's break the seal and unbox the box. It was a very tight box. At the top of the box, we get earphones itself. Under this, we get a user manual and a USB to Lightning cable charger. The quality of the Lightning cable is very nice. Let's look at the user manual. Inside the user manual, you get to see many features like touch control and if you want you can read, otherwise you can leave that. It is both in Chinese and English language. Now let's keep the box aside and look at our earphones. The earphones will be covered in this blue color covering. You should remove the covering. This has a same design as Apple AirPods. Inside the charging case, you get to see two AirPods, exactly similar to the Apple AirPods. Here we have a button to power on. This power ons the charging case and also charges the AirPods. See this, inside red light is glowing. It means it's charging. Now let's remove the earbuds. Now let's connect our smartphone to our earbuds. Go to the settings, check that the earphones are connected or not. If If they are not connected, press to the I12 option or search option, you will find them there. See this, my AirPods are connected. The battery on this is 90%. The finish of the earphones is very nice. The size is very small and it's lightweight. It's about 10 grams. Now let's go back and play the song. See this touch control, it works absolutely nice. It's not so much fast, it is fast, average speed. But it works nicely. The sound quality of the earphones are very nice. The bass is medium and the sharpness is nice, but no noise cancellation. Now see, the earphones are connected to my mobile. Now when I keep these earphones inside, this will get disconnected. This is the best feature I liked in it. It also has a magnet which pulls the earbuds inside the case. See this, the earpods are disconnected. And if you press this button, the earphones will be connected again, because when you press this button, it will be charging. Thank you guys for watching my video. So please subscribe and press the bell icon for notification of the next video.